Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure and how to electronically sign a PDF document. Let's get started. Open the PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. Navigate to the right panel and click on Fill and Sign at the top. Choose Add Signature from the drop-down menu. In the new drop-down menu, you have three options: Draw Signature, Image, and Type. If you want to type your signature, select Type to input your signature in a font style. Customize your signature by changing the signature style if desired. Click Apply to confirm your signature. Position the signature wherever you'd like it on the document and click Apply again. And there you have it. You've successfully electronically signed your PDF document. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.